Today we are going to talk about how to use ChatGPT Pro and what are the steps that we can do from start to use ChatGPT Pro. And the main purpose for today's video is also to start using the plugins, and the specific plugin that today I'm going to discuss about is going to be Code Interpreter, and how to use it, how to take a paid account. So I'm going to start from scratch. When I will share my screen, I'm going to show you how to use your credit card information, how to get into Pro, how to use the plugin Code Interpreter, how to take a sample data set and quickly start doing some analysis. So this is a preview to the workshops that we are going to conduct in detail, but it is very important to start your journey using Code Interpreter. So it has made our data analysis phase very easy. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly share my screen and show you step by step how to do this particular ChatGPT paid version. And many of you will ask, is it worth taking ChatGPT Pro? Is it worth paying $20 per month? And my answer is the main power of ChatGPT is using extensions and the template options that are there. That will give you the main power. We all have used ChatGPT free version for a long time, and now we should focus on taking the advantage of the pro version, getting access to the plugins like link interpreter and the code interpreter and a lot of other plugins that will keep coming up, and it will help us doing our work more efficiently and productively. So thank you, and now we are going to directly go into screen share. So here we are. So first we will go to our ChatGPT. So now by default, it is giving you, we all know it is giving us GPT 3.5 by default. And if we want to use GPT 4, we need to, you can see there is a option here. So right now we are using the 3.5 model, but if you want to use the 4 model, and you can see here, in the free plan, you get access to 3.4, you get standard response, regular model updates, but here you can see what is happening. Access to GPT-4, our most capable model, faster response speed, exclusive access to the beta feature like browsing, plugin and code interpreter. So many people are saying GPT-4 is not that strong, but ideally I feel it is better model. It is more controlled. The parameters are more fine-tuned compared to GPT 3.5. You can do a lot of picture, you can attach files. You will see the power when I upgrade it to plus. So now you just click upgrade to plus. So here this is the option. So many of you will not be logged in, so I will just log out and I will show you from the start how it shows, right? So if I go, if I open chat.openai.com, then it will ask me for login. Then if you have not logged in, I will just tell people who are never have access in ChatGPT till now, then you can just do sign up. The easiest way to sign up is using your Google social login. You click this and then your account will be created. You will get a verification email on your ID and just verify it and you are good to go. So we will just log in here. I already have logged in, so I will use my Google. You can use Microsoft, you can use Apple sign in, and there are a lot of sign in options for you to ease your journey to log in. So once I have logged in, as you can see, so this is the same page that is there. I go here. This is the best option to upgrade to plus. Click here. Get ready with your credit card information. I will blur this for you guys. I don't want people to use my credit card information and 0826. Okay. 122. You want to use this credit card information? Let me know. And okay, I'm purchasing as a business. No. Uh, okay. I don't have the details of my VAT right now. So I'll just leave it like this. Okay. I agree. You will be charged. Billing address, United Arab Emirates. 1009 6. So you can come here. We can meet up. Abu Dhabi. Okay. So now let's go for it. So this is a investment that. So I am a ChatGPT Plus user. So it's such a honor, such a big honor. So now I'm going to continue, and now I have ChatGPT 4. So I don't want AIRR prompts now. I am in GTP 4. Let me include my private info. So this is, you can include your info. Cap 50 messages, has cap, okay, that is fine. 50 messages every hour. You can see July 20 version. And now I have new chat. Let me just do a new chat, GPT-4. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, for now, I am going to just on public. So what I need to do is go to code interpreter and so for now, to be honest, I don't want a AIRPRM. So what should I do is, so now I need to remove the AIRPR. So AIPRM is a prompt, but right now I don't want to use this prompt. I have used GPT-4, so I just want to remove this for now. AIPRM, remove AIPRM for ChatGPT. Open Chrome. if you don't remove AIPRM. Okay, for now, what I'm going to do, for now, extensions, AIPRM, just to manage in extensions. Just for now, remove extensions. Okay. Let me clean out. So now it is clean. So this is how it looks. I want to keep it clean for now. New chat, GPT-4. Now, how to use code interpreter here. So code interpreter is a very new feature. So let us see this particular website. It's a beta version. So where we need to go is code interpreter. Then we need to go to settings. Then we need to go to beta feature. Then we have to do custom instructions, plugins, and code interpreter. So here it is in the settings, right? Custom instruction also is a very new feature where you try a new feature that lets you share anything you would like the ChatGPT to consider across its responses. That you can tell it to act like this, act like a specific stuff, and I'll talk more about this as well. So these are the beta features. Plugins is try a version of ChatGPT that knows when and how to use third-party plugins that you enable. Code Interpreter is a wonderful thing that we're going to try now. Try a version of ChatGPT that knows how to write and execute Python code and can work with file upload. Try asking for help with data analysis, image conversion, or editing a code file. Note a file may not persist beyond a single session. No, so the file will only be there for the particular thing. So this is the thing I will do right now. Let us keep all this and let us. So beta feature I've enabled. Now let us go here. So now set your custom instructions. So I will do that later. Custom instructions let you share anything that you like ChatGPT to consider. Your instructions will be added to a new conversation going forward. So I can just do like this. What would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide you a better this thing? So I am a data scientist running at a AI and data science academy. How, okay, what would you like ChatGPT to know about you to an academy? I'm a data scientist. I'm a data scientist running an AI and data science academy and a community of learners and business and entrepreneurs to learn how to use AI and data science. How would you like the ChatGPT response? How formal, casual, how long? Formal and academic. This for now, I'll just do this. We can keep on adding this thing. So save. So now exactly this is done. Now let us see the just quickly. The next step is here GPT-4. Now how to upload a file. Okay, so let's use download and navigate. Okay, let me go directly. There is no option to upload GPT-4. Okay, see here. Now I click on GPT-4, I will get code interpreter plugin. So right now I'll go to code interpreter, and then I am going to go here plus, and then I am going to go to the sample file, the unicorn file. Let me see if I can get it here. Start. It's in the download. Startup. Okay, unicorn data. Startup. So first step is let me just open the startup data directly. I want to see the data first. So this is important just to have a look in Excel about the data, just to be confirmed. So what I'm trying to do is I'm going to take the startup data, put it on the code interpreter and try to analyze what are the outputs that we are able to get from this data. What are the top industries where the companies invested. So okay, we can work with this. We can work with this also. Let me see the number of those. Approximately 900 is fine. For now, I'll work with this. I'll get the updated data in some time. Or let me wait one sec. 9,700 rows. So, and this data is 1,000. So I think I should try to get this data from the platform or so basically what we're going to do, we're going to take the unicorn startup data and do some analysis how are the AI companies doing. So let me just to be on the safer side, use the same data that I have used in the Excel. So this data is here. As you can see, total is this unicorn. The name of the file is unicorn. So let me just search this for you guys and share it with you. Unicorn.csv is the name of the video. Okay, let me open this from the website. So now this, as we know, data, text to column. We all know what is okay. So this is some issue here, but exits. this data? Okay. Let me go to my, just to confirm you guys, let me go to my portal, mass.ai.gov. So the sample data are also stored here. Okay. So these are very important things to look around for. Starter, this is the same file that I have here. So let me use the same file for now, and then I will share you the latest updated file. So here it is, 1038 rows. Okay, good. So now what we need to do is from this data that I have showed you, starter. You want to know which is the industry which is most, which is the industry which is most valuable, something like this. The which is the industry that has most valuation. Valuation. So something like this. Which is the industry who has the most valuation? So first we will try to get something information about this from this data. We have put the data in code interpreter as you saw, and you can ask from this data make a table of industry, make a chart of industry and valuation for industry and valuation. So let me just write, this is the first time I'm using it on the live with you guys, and let us see how this works. So we put the file, we put the code. So from this data, make a chart of industry and valuation. So it is working. See, so first when you write it, it gives you a description. Description, right? A data set contains information where a started the evaluation when they join the startup ecosystem, their country, cities. Once this processing is complete, we can proceed with creating a chart. Do you have a specific type of chart in mind, a bar chart when we sitting for this start? Then they are giving me suggestions. And do and add the labels. So you can do show work. I don't exactly see. This is the way. If you want to see the code, then you need to see this show work. So what it is doing, see the code. It is taking from the startup. It is doing a head. Then okay, so see the view, the way they have built the chart is so wonderful. So now we can say, see this. Can you see the industry name? What is this? What it is? You can see the same industry as in the some industries are seen. Now we can ask. Now we need, as we understand in any code, you can see the names that are here. Some of the names are not arranged in a proper manner with renaming. So I'll just say, can you clean the name of industry? Clean the name of industry. Clean the name of industry and normalize the industry to ensure no duplicacy and re and make the chart again. Dupli- duplicity, and so this is the thing that I generally do, right? If the names are coming together, like artificial intelligence that you can see and fintech, they are the spellings are very much similar, and ideally should come here. We do these cleanings ideally. Now you can see what has happened. Fintech. So can I just zoom in a little bit? So so you can see fintech, artificial intelligence is here. Fintech is here. So before what you could see, artificial intelligence and fintech. So now they are not able to clean this, right? Here there is a bar chart, the normalization process, the cover, the industry names, so lowercase, removing the leading and trailing spaces and replacing special characters. Okay, so here, can you make fintech? Fintech is in the above. Fintech is same as fintech. So just I'm just giving example because see they are not able to. It is not that smart to understand that fintech is same as fintech. Fintech is same as fintech, and anything else you feel that can be added? Yeah, the fintech is same as fintech. Uh, I- okay, now I'll say make the fintech is make the above chart fintech is same as fintech. Do the renaming. Do the renaming and make the above chart with industry in proper form. Industry name in proper form. I don't want lowercase. Proper is basically A should be capital and this thing. So now, see, the best thing is show work. It is going to show you the code. So if you are interested to know about the how the code is working, this is the way to see it. I will explain more in details in and the workshops how to do it. Now you can see fintech is here. Now so fintech is named here, internet services, these are the things that is named e-commerce direct to customers, and this is named. There are no labels in this. Initially, I had asked to add labels, data labels. So I'll just say add data labels in the above, add data labels in the above, and make insights about industry and valuation. Okay, please know this variation does not account. Okay, so now we can also add the number. See, this is giving us ideas. Here's the updated batch which is the total value of startup has been renamed to this thing and now displayed. Now see this. Now this is the well. Now can I? So this is the details that are here. Analysis that are there. You can read it. Add the number of companies in this bar graph. So you can see now how easy it has become to do data analysis. Like to be honest, I'm in love with this tool. It is really going to change the way I am doing data analysis, and I don't I have done for the last 17 to 18 years the way I was doing coding, and now this feature has come. It is really mind blowing, right? I feel that I wasted my time a lot in coding these things again and again and spending hours in doing that. So, but see this. So it has. Okay, so this is a problem with this. In this bar graph, it is not doing it now because this is a problem, right? So I have to change the scale and convert this into a plot on two graphs. Convert this to plot of plot in two different axes as number of companies cannot be seen. So I have told this, let's see what is it saying. Plot in two different axes. So it is going to, I don't know if the bar graph will work. It is going to have some type of other chart wherein on the right side it is going to plot by the billions and on the left side it is going to plot by the number of companies. Uh, because as you understand what is happening, here the billions are there and here the number of companies is very less, which cannot be seen, and it is uploading. Okay, wonderful. Uh, can I make the okay? Cannot see this, to be honest. The let's see now. Let us see whether the colors can be. Cannot see the labels. Can you recolor the graph so that we can clearly read the numbers? See, here I have done some spelling mistakes as well. So let's see how it works. So this is a very good way to check about the particular information that is out there regarding the numbers. So this is a very quick way for you to play around with data analysis, and the main purpose of uh, see, this is 166. This is, so let me just do a zoom. It is readable, but it is can okay. The labels. Oh, now the labels be separated for both the charts as there is overlap. So here what I'm trying to test is I'm trying to test the capability of the code, of how it is working. So doing this in on a by doing Python, I'll show you the code, how tough it is going to be. You can see the code for this, show the work, how it is doing this. See this. So now you can play around with this. Now I'm going to show you. So save images. Save. Now let me just save image as. Not sure why is it not saving the image. Copy image. So copy image and paste. See the way it has come. It is amazing. Download is not happening right now, but we can. There is some issue, but you can see still there is some overlap here. 191. So what you can do is what we can say is so this some manual adjustment has to be done, that I understand, but in these cases, right? So what you can do is the labels that are there on this particular for the valuation can be centered, can be put in the center of the chart. So let me just try to tell this. I'll put a label of valuation in center of chart. So I'm going in a little bit details, and this is the last thing I want to show you, that it is also, you should know what instructions you should give. Now, this is looking a little better. And for this, and okay, for the number and for the number of companies, put the labels on outer right. Because this is the one of the challenges that we have to manually do, and doing it this, why I'm doing telling you this, because that's why people never used Python to do the data analysis in chart format, because of these labels, and because in Tableau it becomes very easy to do these things. But in Python, the code, the matplotlib, the syntaxes that are there for labels, you have to spend some time. So now you can see it has come to the outer right. So now this looks as understandable and labelable. I'll just copy this image and we put it here for reference to show you guys. So now this is what code interpreter does. Now let us see what some plugins can do in ChatGPT. So more of this I'm going to talk in details, take specific examples and play around with this in my next workshop that I'm going to do after a few days. In 2nd of August, the details are there. So now let me just do new chat. Let me go to GPT-4, go to plugins, no plugins enabled. I'll go to plugin store. Plugins are this thing. Okay. So let us see what all plugins are available. So the biggest plugin that I know of is AI PDF is also a very good option, which I'm going to show, but let me just plugin store. Let me go to plugin store again. Let me go to link interpreter. Link. There are so many that are there, but let me just, the popular one is link reader. So this is installed. So now this is link reader. So I go to link reader, then I will say analyze the academy. So now I'm going to go to my academy page and I'm going to ask it to analyze. So there are a lot of plugins for me to explore. And in the videos that are going to come forward, I am going to surely take a few, all the plugins that I'm using and exploring with you. So analyze the academy page for improvement. Just let me see. Let me be as broad as possible. So here it is using link reader because I have checked the plugin called link reader. As we all know, this particular link reader capacity is not available in the free version of ChatGPT, but in the paid version it is available. So now it is analyzing everything that is there from this page. There are several loading, indicate them, SEO, call to action, a clear call to action. Okay, so now I know this is very generic based on the analysis of there are some other. So write a LinkedIn post to promote the academy page. Academy. Let us see whether it is going to take specific information. Oh my God! First time getting error in Pro. Oh my God! This is becoming better. It is taking the name, it is taking the stuff that I have talked about from the academy page. If people have not seen my academy page here, so a lot of the stuff that are coming from this page is coming exactly that I have written. Okay, so these are the things that are there. Uh, and there are a lot of testimonials also in this page. Can you, okay, so this is a LinkedIn post. We all have seen the LinkedIn post and it is great. So, but I want to play around with the testimonials, right? Can you highlight the testimonials for social share testimonials for social? Okay, so I could not find it is mentioning, so I could not find testimonial. Now I can maybe the testimonial is directly they cannot see. So let me give them they're not able to see the testimonial. So there is so I may need to give them the test. Yes, the so it is not that intelligent enough to know whether these are the testimonials are here. Sorry, I cannot find any testimonial through a web search. Okay, through a web search. So use the, I'll say for testimonial, use the same. So they had done a web search, but I just need to maybe they are trying to search to use the use it from this section in, let us see if it works or not. It is trying to again read. Let me see if it goes inside and sees it. If the page could not access the presence of loading indicators, if you have the direct access, I recommend manually copying from the social media code. Okay, so now let me. Okay, so this is some. Maybe it is not taking the testimonial directly. from here, see, okay, let me see all testimonials. Okay, can I go here to Trustpilot and maybe give them from here, take the reviews from here? Take the reviews from here. Let me see if it is that enough intelligent to read this. So now, yeah, so now it is able to read. So actually, what is happening in the academy page, there is a specific section for testimonials that ChatGPT is not able to read because the way that LMS, because it is a learning management system that is designed. But now you saw I gave the link from my this page, specific page that is there, and let me. If I had a page specifically for testimonials, then it have been there. So I'll just check that and I will update you if you for that specific case. So here this page is not uploaded. This page is there, but it is for entering the review, but not specific for the reviews. So these are the things that are there. There are a lot of plugins that if you really want to go and play around with, this is the few main plugins that I have told you that is there. Now suppose you want to go back to the plugin. So this is the way the code is written and takes the URL and now goes here. So let me go to new chat again. GPT-4 plugin, plugin store. So there are a lot of plugins. PDFs also are there. AI PDF is also a popular one. Ask your PDF, chat with PDF, Expedia, Scholar AI for scientific research, diagrams, video insights, Notable, Vox, Web Pilot, Wolffarm, Zapier. So I will take one of the popular ones because and show you how it works. So and now coming to the importance of this, and I'm just wanted to tell you this is a preview of how to install the ChatGPT Plus, play around with code interpreter, link reader, PDF. So for PDFs also, in this you cannot directly put, but there are some other plugins where you can upload a PDF and reports, which I'll talk about in the later videos and more details in my workshops and subsequent videos. So try to start using the power of these plugins, and it's really powerful. You saw the way you can give access to the chart and make it to change accordingly and play around with this. So see you in the next video and thank you for watching. Do subscribe, like and share with your friends and community. Thank you and have a great day.